Hello, Hare. We're coming for you. Evening, everybody. We have Hare. Family. I don't know what you call a family. There's two there. There's one in the middle of the road. Sorry about the bumpiness. He's noticed them. Oh, she's now noticed them. Oh, there she's off. Oh, she could certainly pull when she wants to. And I've got to watch these driveways because some of them are painted and they're really slippery. She's just right here. They were here. It's Mama. Just show you this really quickly. The path to nowhere now goes somewhere. Still not open, as you can see. And they're still doing works over there. As you can see, they're doing landscaping works. Putting in sandstone blocks all the way along the other side of on both sides of the path. I guess that's for stopping the water from the creek or from the pond going into the houses. So must be some. And the drain, they're still working on the drain system as well. They're on top of a lookout overlooking the bird habitat, and it reeks. I feel sorry for the people that live nearby. It absolutely stinks. All these bin chickens. Lots of ibis. Awful bin chickens. Terrible critters. Unfortunately, they're native to Australia, so you can't control them. They just breed and breed and breed and breed. So they get into like this, play proportions.